We're in the foothills of Adelaide. We're not far from the suburbs. It's only about 10-15 minutes to the city. We originally had a 1 kilowatt system installed when we built the house about 13 years ago. That was when the government rebate scheme first started, and we got obviously a very good solar feed-in tariff out of it. The 1 kilowatt system over the years we found to be rather insufficient for our needs, and we thought already for quite a few years of expanding that. However, the government feed-in tariff at that time, of being the extra 46 or 50 cents subsidised by the government, was very attractive and made it at that point unfeasible cost-wise for us to expand the system because the net benefit wasn't there. However, over the years the prices of solar panels have obviously dropped, as have the inverter costs and installation costs. So as of recently there was a massive price drop in the media, quite noticeable, that made us reconsider. Well, we just recently got our solar installation. We also wanted to add a battery to that system. In our area, we are basically with no mains water. We are fed off basically a tank with a pressure pump on demand. When the power goes out, we have no water. Battery backup means that after hours, the battery will provide us with 10 kilowatts of power if we need to. We can prioritise water as being the main use for that.